Creating a harmonious community, a path to understanding and unity. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and powerful concept, harmonious community. This phrase is not just about vocabulary. It's about values, culture, and the essence of living together in peace. Understanding this term can help us build stronger, more compassionate societies. So, let's explore what makes a community harmonious and why it's so important. At its core, a harmonious community refers to a group of people living together in peace, mutual respect, and understanding. It's where diversity is celebrated, conflicts are resolved peacefully, and everyone works together for the common good. In such a community, people listen to each other, share resources, and support one another through challenges. Harmony is about balance and unity, where the well-being of the group is as important as the individual's happiness. Several key elements contribute to creating a harmonious community. 1. Respect for diversity. Recognizing and valuing the differences in culture, opinion, and background among community members. 2. Effective communication. Open and honest dialogue that helps prevent misunderstandings and resolves conflicts. 3. Empathy and understanding. Putting oneself in another's shoes to build stronger, more empathetic relationships. 4. Shared goals and values. Working towards common objectives that benefit everyone in the community. 5. Cooperation and support. Assisting each other and working together to overcome obstacles and achieve collective success. Living in a harmonious community brings numerous benefits. It fosters a sense of belonging and security, reduces stress and conflict, and enhances the quality of life for all members. Moreover, it promotes social progress by encouraging collaboration and innovation. By striving for harmony, communities can become more resilient, adaptable, and prosperous. So, how can we contribute to creating a harmonious community? Here are some practical steps. Practice active listening. Pay attention to what others are saying without judgment, and show empathy. Promote inclusivity. Ensure everyone feels valued and included, regardless of their background or beliefs. Engage in community activities. Participate in events and projects that bring people together and strengthen communal bonds. Educate yourself and others. Learn about different cultures and perspectives, and share your knowledge to foster understanding. Be a role model. Lead by example, showing kindness, respect, and cooperation in your daily interactions. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of harmonious communities. Remember, each of us has the power to contribute to a more peaceful, respectful, and united world. By embracing these principles and taking action in our own lives, we can help build communities where everyone thrives together. Keep practicing your English, and use it as a tool to connect with and understand others. See you in the next video.